Hi guys, welcome to my health and fitness channel. I'm Ada. So today I am going to be working out in my home gym. So I'm just gonna use these exercise equipment that we have here. It's kind of gloomy today, so I don't feel like going to the gym. So I'm just gonna work out here. I have a few equipments that I use, and I'm just gonna use them and work out. Okay? So if you are already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing. If you are not, please hit the subscribe button, subscribe so that we can work out together, y'all. We have to stay fit. Yeah, because actually this lockdown is what made me revitalize this gym, this home gym. We had it for some time and we just had all this equipment here, but we weren't using it because you know, we got to go to the gym. You know, it's more fun. You know, you get to interact with people, and I like to do Zumba. So I usually join the Zumba class at the gym. And my husband likes to weight lift. You know, so he goes to the gym to weight lift. You know, we have a very few weightlifting equipment here. Yeah, so you know, but the gym, you know, they have everything. They got a lot of stuff that you can use. You know, variety. So for that reason, we usually go to the gym. But guys, when that lockdown started, the gyms were closed. We had to fix this place up and start using it. So that is what you see here is our revitalized gym as a result of the lockdown, the pandemic. I guess some good things came out of this lockdown for us. Is the need to revitalize this gym. And it's wonderful because like this forces us to exercise regularly on a daily basis, because if you want to lift some weights and let's say you don't really have a lot of time, you know, to go to the gym, or you're too tired to go to the gym, and or it might be raining, you know, the weather makes you feel lazy to get out of the house, you know, like on weekends, you know, that way we can just step on out here and just do this. So it's you know, that's what I like about it. You know, besides doing the indoor out exercises that I do also, you know, like I always tell you guys, you know, you don't need a gym to work out. You can just work out in your house, inside the house, y'all. Check out all my indoor workout videos, and you can see that you don't need a gym to work out. You can work out inside your home. You can even work out outside without any equipment. You know, so those are some of the things that I have on my you know, on my channel for you to help yourself get in shape, y'all. It is important to stay in shape. Not only do you get to look really good, but it's good for your health. You know, health and fitness. There's a reason why it's called health and fitness, because fitness helps you remain healthy, right? If you don't exercise, diseases or illnesses start to affect you, because a lot of illnesses are associated with being overweight, with weight gain and fat. The body starts to not be able to handle all the excess fat, all the excess sugar that is converted to fat, you know. So it is very important to exercise in order to avoid a lot of illnesses, avoid getting sick. All right, so just keep that in mind. Exercise is not only good for you to look good, it also helps you to feel good. All right, so work out regularly, at least 3 times a week. You know, if you can do more, that's wonderful. But if you can't, 3 times a week is enough to keep you steady. And the reason 3 times a week is because if you do less than 3 times a week, then each time you do it, it's gonna be like you're starting over. That is why they say 3 times a week. And I noticed that because when I work out sometimes and then I take a break for like a whole week or 2 weeks, when I go back to working out, it's like I'm starting over. You can see it. I can see it in my body. that you know, I have lost the energy that I had. I've lost the tightness to my body. You know, you can see it to start to fade. And of course, the longer you wait in between your workout, the worse it gets, right? Because if you don't work out for like a whole month, you can see it in your body. You know, like one time I was sick, I was working out steadily, and then I got sick and didn't work out for about a month. I lost a lot of muscle mass. I lost a lot of tightness to my body. I could see my butt started to get flabby. My arms started to jiggle at the bottom here. And I was like, oh no, it's time to hit the gym again. You know, and like I said, the longer you wait, the worse it gets. So when you start to notice that things are starting to loosen up, you know, on your body, well, it's time to start working out again. All right? So that you can keep things tight. Yeah, taking a break is okay if you need to. If you're sick or something, of course you have to take a break, but try to get back to it as quickly as possible. All right, that is the key. You got to stay consistent. Consistency is key. All right, so yeah, so this is one of the ones I do, and then I'm gonna move on to the next machine, which is this one right next to this one. Let's do this one. Yeah, so you gotta stay consistent, y'all. Yeah, so guys, like I said, before the pandemic, this gym was everything was rusted. I had to go to Home Depot and buy spray paint and something to scrub off the rust. So I scrubbed the rust off, and then I spray painted all of these metal machines, so to bring it back to life, you know, because it is outdoors and the weather got to it, the sun, the rain. So after a while things rusted because we weren't really using them. So I had to get it all cleaned up, and now everything is usable again. So yeah, so that's what came out of the pandemic for us in terms of you know, positivity. Yeah. So this one, you can do different things. You know, you can like that. And you can do this. I'm not that strong, but you're supposed to hold on to this and then use it to lift your body like that. Like that. Something like that, okay? Ooh, it's hard. You have to build the strength. I don't have the strength yet. But you're supposed to hold on to this and lift your body slowly, not jumping up and down like I'm doing. I'm not doing it right, but I'm doing something. Yeah. So, yeah, my husband uses this better than I do, because he has a stronger upper body than me. But this is as much as I can do. I can't really lift my body up holding on to that. But I use it to do some other things like this. Like this. And I use it to do this as well. Work out my calves. This is working out the back of my legs, my calves. And I also do this with it. This is still working out my calves. And then I also use this to work out my hamstrings, like this. And then I would just do it like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then I can also do this, lift, working out the buttocks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then, ooh, that burns. That burns, that means it's working. And I do the other side, okay? We do this side, same thing. Squeeze, squeeze, working out the hamstrings. Squeeze, 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 and squeeze. And then I'm gonna do the butt. 1, 2, lift. Lift, 5, lift, 6, lift, 7, lift, 8, lift, 9, lift, 10, lift, 11, lift, and 12. Like that. So those are some of the things I use this machine to do. Hey guys, I don't like to do these videos for too long. So I'm going to stop here, and I'll show you guys the rest of the machine in another video, okay? What I use them to do. So let's wrap it up for now. So please subscribe to my channel so we can work out together, so I can show you how to do all these fun workouts, okay? All right. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next episode, okay? Push that subscribe button and subscribe so we can do this next time. All right.